Meet Amir, a Muslim man who worked at a bank but was involved in illegal activities, eating haram, and spending nights at bars, dancing and drinking. Despite his luxurious lifestyle, he felt empty and frustrated. One day, a wise colleague, Abdul, approached him and said, "Amir, your actions are harming yourself and others. Seek forgiveness and find peace in prayer." Amir dismissed him, but Abdul's words haunted him. As Amir's troubles mounted, Abdul persisted, sharing the power of prayer and the Quran. Amir reluctantly joined him for Salah and began reading the Quran. Slowly, he felt a transformation taking place. Amir left his illegal work, stopped eating haram, and abandoned the bar scene. He found solace in prayer, feeling a deep sense of peace and connection with Allah. His relationships improved, and he started helping others. Abdul's guidance had changed Amir's life. He was no longer frustrated and lost, but a confident and compassionate Muslim living a life of purpose. Amir was grateful for Abdul's persistence and the power of prayer, which had brought him back to the right path.